Welcome back to Science with G. Today we're going to make a super cool lava lamp. For today's experiment, you need a jar, some water, vegetable oil, some food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer. First we're going to pour in our vegetable oil. Now let's pour in our water. As you can see, the water and the oil didn't mix. The water sank down to the bottom because it's more dense than the oil. Now let's give our lava some color. Now add a few drops of your food coloring. Since food coloring is made out of water, it's not going to mix with the oil either. Time to make things bubbly. Get your Alka-Seltzer tablet, break it up into a few pieces, and drop it in. Whoa! It's forming bubbles! When you drop in the tablet, it creates carbon dioxide bubbles. And those bubbles bring the red water to the surface. And since the water is more dense than the oil, it sinks back down. And now you have your very own lava lamp. Have fun making your own lava lamp at home. Have fun learning. Bye!